Good morning students, welcome to English Literature class. Today we are going to study an essay Self-Reliance by Ralph Waldo Emerson. For the convenience of the study, I have divided the lecture in two videos. The first is about the author and the second one will be about the essay. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Let's have a biographical detail of the writer. Ralph Waldo Emerson was born on 5th of May 1803, Boston, America. In a religious family, his father was working in a church. After the death of his father, he was also sent in 1811 to the Harvard Divinity School for his further studies. It is said that he was very much inspired by his aunt Mary Emerson, who taught him to analyze philosophy of life and literature in a unique and different ways. After the marriage, Emerson realized that his wife was suffering from tuberculosis and she died because of that. This broke Emerson very much. Now Emerson moved to Europe. His Europe trip could be understood as a turning point of his life when he went to a museum in Paris and found natural beings around. In a journal, Emerson says that I can feel centipede in me and I can feel a unique kind of sympathy for them. The second incident that took place in Emerson's life when he met to Coleridge and Wordsworth. You must be knowing Coleridge and Wordsworth. Both of them published lyrical ballads, which is taken as the beginning of Romantic era in English literature. Now Emerson thought that if so great people may be so ordinary, then why can't ordinary people become so great? Now Emerson returned to America with such revolutionary questions. Here he again started working as a professional lecturer and married again. So around 1882 he suffered from a disease and he lost the power of formulating sentences and memorizing things properly. And he died because of this disease. So this was all about his biographical details. Now let's talk about Emerson's philosophy. Here are a few points which are worth mentioning. The first thing, he is known as the Sage of Concord. Sage of Concord means Emerson played a very vital role in American freedom to get it free from the clutches of UK, Britain. Secondly, he is known as the father of American literature. Emerson was of the view that why should people or why should the scholars or the writers of America go to the libraries or the critics or the British people to find the ideas to be a scholar. If they themselves want to become scholars, their own culture is enough. So they should focus on their own culture instead of going to anywhere else, other places. They should focus on their own culture for the ideas. Thirdly, he is known for his contribution to transcendental philosophy. Now, what is transcendental philosophy? Transcendental philosophy believes in the natural domination over the institution. He says that when a person writes in his own natural ways, he is much and far better than a person who copies it from anywhere else or who believes in the intellects of the predecessors. So this was his contribution in transcendental philosophy. Now the next point, that he was very much fond of individualism. So the present essay Self-Reliance will be a very good illustration of his individualism when he talks and says that if a person cares about society, if a person cares about the institutions or restrictions and rules and regulations around him, he will never be able to grow. So first of all, a person should rely himself instead of going here and there for the growth. So this was all about Ralph Waldo Emerson. Let's have another video on his essay Self-Reliance. Thank you.